Are you struggling to make money online? Don't worry, there's a solution. An AI tool is available that can help you start earning money without needing design skills or expensive software. This tool does all the hard work for you and is not only easy to use, but also 100% free right now. It may sound too good to be true, but it's worth exploring. The AI tool in question is a graphic creation platform that can turn plain text into diagrams, flow charts, and visually engaging presentations in just a few clicks. It's available online, eliminating the need for downloads and complicated software setups. The best part is that it's free, thanks to its beta program, which offers unlimited visuals and access to the professional plan at no cost. To get started, simply create an account by clicking on the registration button and choosing an option to sign up. After answering a few questions, the interface will be available, and you can begin by clicking on the Create My First Graphic option. You can add text manually or use the AI tool to generate content for you. Once the content is ready, you can paste it into the tool and let it work its magic, generating a flowchart or other graphic designs. The tool offers various styles and customization options, including the ability to change the font, color, and background. Once the graphic is ready, exporting it is simple, with options to download it as a PNG, SVG, or PDF file. The tool also allows switching between light and dark themes or removing the background, making it perfect for presentations or other uses. This tool is not only a useful graphic creation platform, but also a money-making opportunity. Freelancers on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork charge between $5 and $125 per graphic or infographic. With this AI tool, you can create similar designs in minutes and offer your services online without needing advanced design skills. You could start by offering your services locally to businesses or content creators and then expand online. As you build a portfolio, it becomes easier to attract clients willing to pay for your professional-looking graphics.